Hey guys, it's 668 Duo here, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can get this cool background right here. This is the the Black Knight from Fortnite. So if you guys want to get this cool, it's not completely 3D, but it's kind of 3D. But if you guys want to get this, I'll show you right now how to get it. So you just go to Play Store. I don't know if this is on but if you guys want to see how to get a screen recorder, I'll do that in another video. But for now, if you guys want to get this wallpaper that I have, it's one of the selections, but you just want to type in Fortnite, all lowercase, 3D, not 40, what did I put 40? 3D wall. Oh, oops. I accidentally paper. Oh, oops. Paper. Paper. And you enter it. That's what you should have, and it should pop up on the very top. And you just click it, install it, and then you go out to the your home menu. My phone's kind of slow, so then you go out here, go to Battle Royale. This is the app. Then once it loads up, this is what it should look like. Wallpapers for Fortnite. It's not for Fortnite. It's just saying that wallpapers. I think it's saying wallpapers, Fortnite wallpapers. But these are the options. You can pick from all these cool options. I like the llama one. That llama one on the left side's pretty cool. That one, the John Wick, the burger one, but I have the one beside to the left of the Rogue Agent, which is the one to the left of the to the left, which is the red Dark Knight. The red Black Knight. But you could choose from a whole bunch of things right here. I'm gonna select a different one so I can show you guys how to pick your thing. So you just click here. You click the down arrow to download it as an album, so you can download it. So you can just pick it from settings, or you can go here and then just do it the easy way, and then you select both if you want to do it on both. But you can select it from either way, and then bam, you have it selected. So that was how you guys get your very own Fortnite wallpapers. But I'm gonna go back to mine as soon as this video is over. But I'll see you guys in another video. So peace out. Bye.